Strictly increasing functions is never explained properly in methods, and that's why you'll probably get this question wrong. For this, we're given the graph of h of x and we need to find where is h of x strictly increasing. Looking at the graph, we can see that this is going to be strictly increasing from minus infinity to b and from d to positive infinity. But here's what they don't tell you. At the point b, we're going to have to include this point because the y-coordinate of this point is bigger than the y-coordinate of the point before it. And the same thing with point D. We're going to include this point because the y-coordinate at the point D is less than the y value of the next point after D, which makes the function strictly increasing for these points. Even though there's a turning point at the points B and D, because it's not the turning point that matters, it's the y-coordinate that matters. And so if you chose option A, you'd be wrong. Well, then which option is it going to be? Looking at B, we've got A to C. Well, A to C, we've got an increasing and then decreasing function, so it's not B. Looking at C, from B to D. From B to D, this is decreasing, so it's not going to be C. It's definitely not D, so the answer must be E. But why? Because this is the same as saying all the real values are going to make this function strictly increasing, except for values from B to D. Now, we're not going to include B and D because the values of B and D are included in the section where the function is strictly increasing. Now that you know how to answer this question, try out this question. Go to Maths Methods Club. Where you see the year menu, select 2021. For question type, select multiple choice. Then for question number, select question 8. This was the Northern Hemisphere paper, and then click on filter, and you're going to see this question. It was a very similar question to the one we just did. Try it out and see how you go. And if you get stuck, well, it's only 46 seconds long to learn how to do it.